Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here. So today I wanted to bring you a review on the RYOBI P209 18 volt cordless drill. Alright, so today we're going to talk about the RYOBI 18 volt cordless drill. This is the version P209. I really like this drill. I've been using it for over 2 years now. And I got it for odds and end jobs around the house. I use it for in the house, out of the house. I have actually used it on construction sites a couple of times for different jobs that I had to go do. A friend of mine needed some help. And because it's worked so well, I just wanted to give a quick review and go over the drill so you have an understanding of what it's like. So the RYOBI P209, it is the 18 volt version here. The reason why I got this one is because it is the 18 volt. There is another version with the smaller battery pack, but the problem is that smaller battery pack doesn't go with the entire family of RYOBI tools. So this battery is interchangeable throughout every piece in the RYOBI 18 volt tool family. But anyway, so with this one here, you've got two different speeds. You got speed number 1 here. And then also if you need to kick it up a notch and do some hardcore jobs, you've got option number 2 there. So we're gonna go and just for this, we're gonna use level number 1. And what you've got is an adjustability here. So you can actually adjust it all the way down to level 1 as far as that goes, and continue adjusting up for strength. And this is where it gets harder and harder and harder and stronger, and it goes all the way up to the drill setting there. So again, you got 1 and 2, and then all the way up to drill. So if you're doing small things or furniture around the house and you don't want to strip anything out, you switch it down to the small one, and then you could torque it up a little bit later. If you need to do some heavy extreme jobs, switch it all the way to the drill piece there. Now in this actual unit here, it does also have a magnetic base. So with your bits, you can put those there if you need to switch them out quickly on the job. You can do that. This one I'm currently using the extension for the quick release, also again for being able to switch it out quickly on the go. Switching out like for obviously furniture stuff, you're gonna have the Allen wrench heads. This is currently a Phillips head. I had to drill something into the closet bar where you hang your clothes that was getting a little loose, so I put a new screw in there. Things like that. Now this does also come out, and you can switch it out, put drill bits, anything in there that you need. We're gonna go ahead and put that back in there, and we're good to go. Now, also with this one, it does come with or without the 18 volt battery. So you can buy the drill itself. You can also buy the battery itself, or you can buy the battery drill combo. And the drill itself, it goes for about 50 to 60 bucks. Usually the battery combo is gonna be about 40 to 50 bucks. And that is going to come with a charger as well. So your RYOBI charger here, it's like this here. You can see it's got the lights on the front, which is nice. You'll plug this into the wall and toss your battery in there. Now while it's charging, your lights are going to actually blink green, indicating that it is charging. And then when it's done, you've got the solid light. Now I did not yet buy a second battery, but I do need that. I've got a couple of other projects I'll go ahead and link in the bottom that I was using my sander on, and I had to keep waiting and waiting and waiting for the charge to come through. Luckily I have time on my hands, so that wasn't a big deal, but I do recommend having a second battery if you're going to be using this for on the job things of that nature. Also, if you are going to be using it on the job, I did notice a lot of the people I was working with on these sites, they also use RYOBI, so you might want to take a marker or a paint marker and mark your batteries, so that way you don't switch up with anybody as far as that goes. And then that brings me to my next thing as far as the RYOBI. The reason why I picked RYOBI, growing up my family was into Makitas. My father used Makitas. That's all I remember. The darker green. One of the reasons why I like RYOBI a lot is they're not the cheapest, but I do like their fluorescent green. It makes it easy to find in your pickup bed. It makes it easy to find in the toolbox in your pickup. It makes it easy to find in your toolbox in your garage, or even just laying around in a closet, or even under the sink if you store it there. But again, whenever you do decide, I went with the 18 volt, which is what I recommend, because the battery is interchangeable amongst all the different 18-volt family of RYOBI tools. This is the orbital sander, which I'll do a review on in another video. Check the link below and you can check that one out. So anyway, that is my review on the RYOBI P209 cordless drill. I hope you enjoyed that information. I hope to help you. I will put a link down below for you so that way you can pick up the RYOBI tools here pictured in this. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here in the video, and also next to the subscribe button you're going to see a little bell. Click on that and make sure you click all so that way you can see all of my videos when they come out. You'll get a notification and you can check out all of the reviews there. And then for sure, no matter what, you need to smash that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that like button because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and we're trying to pump up those views. So hit the button, make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Thank you very, very much for your time. I really do appreciate it. I know you could be doing something completely different, but I hope this helps, and please enjoy your RYOBI tools. Have a wonderful day. Oh, and I almost forgot. I completely forgot to mention the RYOBI 60-piece tool set. I got this when I got my drill. It was sold separately, but this has been a great piece to have because it literally has everything you need for starter jobs. It has the drills, it has the hole saw, it has all of your bits for screws. It even has a couple Allen wrench bits in there, and it even has some bits for doing bolts and things of that nature. So again, this is the RYOBI 60-piece tool set. Don't forget to include that as well. That'll really help you out. Thank you so much.